right, so somebody had a real brilliant idea. Who was it?
Whoa.
Who was it?
Rick.
Let's deep fry a skateboard and see if we can eat it. So here we are, and now we have all these hoses and connectors. What do we do with this?
Honestly, that would make a good shield. Like, yeah.
Somebody's actually getting injured in this video.
Why?
Knock on wood. Yeah. Well, earlier I walked underneath a ladder unknowingly. Like, they just put a ladder in such a situation where in order for you to walk, you had to walk underneath it.
This is like, you know those camping stoves? This is like a giant version.
Chris McNugget, help me set up the McNuggets here.
I said this once again as a joke, just throwing it out there. Yo, let's deep fry skateboard skater. And now we have arrived here somehow. Thank you, Gabe Chris.
Nothing, nothing phases me.
This is what they say. Oh, chuck another shrimp on the barbie, mate.
No one ever says that? You're so full of it. He's just trying to like keep Australia. Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. Oh, turn it on. Oh, that's actually fire? No, let's use this to heat the Braille house. We're good, light it up.
Why don't you read the instructions?
We're men, Gabe. Aussie, can you get us some breadcrumbs? Aussie, you got a lot, mate.
3 operation, hold a fire lighter near the burner.
When Chris does it, I'm terrified. When JD's dad comes, super confident, oh yeah, get the lighter. I feel so safe. I feel so safe. But when Chris is like, oh, maybe, I feel terrified.
We've been looking for a heater in the Braille house. We're good now. Boom. Oh, it's starting to go on the outside. You don't want to be using it after what we're about to do. Is that how we do?
We have the dreams of deep frying a skateboard. Look what's happening right now. We got the oil, we got the Bunsen burner, we got it all ready. It's not gonna stick onto the board without the batter.
I'm just hiding back here for a little bit.
No, that's fine. It's good. It's just vegetable oil. I think we're probably good right there.
Well, I appreciate the help so much.
If you want to be in the Braille videos, jump on Braille Army Plus on the app. It's like making weird lines and stuff. Kind of looks like that monster in Stranger Things. I mean, geez, it's barely going up. Can we crank the heat up a little bit? Yeah, we need to turn it up. We're about to have a good meal on our hands, mate. $5 to stick your head inside.
What happens when you put water in frying oil?
I didn't do it.
Pops. It didn't explode. Let's do the mayo and then we'll dip the chicken in the mayo.
Turkey frying gone wrong, a whole 11-minute compilation.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Please let that happen, please.
What the heck?
That's not gonna happen to us. I mean, I didn't think this is a great idea. Now I think it's wonderful. Yeah, please let that happen.
JD's mom is picking up 2 small chickens to deep fry in this.
Degrees Fahrenheit. Who did in here? We're gonna fry a board and skate it.
Think it's gonna be fine?
Yeah. It's not gonna blow up. These guys are amateurs. I recently learned how to make toast, so I'm a professional cook, and I can do this.
You like avocado toast?
Yeah.
No matter what happens to this board, we skate it as it lies?
Yeah.
Are you boiling something right now?
Yeah, we're gonna deep fry some chicken and a skateboard.
Oh, chicken!
Let's go!
Ready to skate it? I hop out of the car. First off, hello, I haven't seen you guys in a while. Secondly, why?
Dude, we're almost reaching the red line.
I came on the right date. Oh.
I know, we thought, we're just gonna put a skateboard in hot oil. Now we're like actually making real lunch. How do we cut this up? Disinfectant wipe. Welcome to the Braille Cooking Network. Today we have disinfectant wipes, we have panko crispy breadcrumbs, we got large eggs, we got a little bit of salt, I have no idea why, another box of panko, and some unbleached all-purpose flour, and some potatoes for the vegans in the family. And then after that, we got some chicken. What do they call it? Texas broilers. Rawr. And a giant vat of burning oil.
Pan in. Right. Oh, the machete. Where's the machete?
Whoa. His aim is pretty good.
Dan, of course. You may be thinking, this isn't a very sanitary way to cook, and you would be exactly right. But Dan, don't give a Dan.
Nope.
You think I can juggle the egg? What if I drop it? I'm scared. Let's go! Yeah! Oh! Come on, Dan!
as I sit here next to this boiling cauldron with my flesh doom stick of flesh.
I believe it's a potato, Nigel.
Oh, is it a potato? It's not a flesh doom stick of
No.
flesh? Oh, okay. My hands are so ashy. I do apologize for everybody out there. I'm better than this, I promise.
That smells good.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. We're sitting. Now, baby, go ahead and go get your plate and you go get your sides, all right, baby? This gonna be done in about 2 minutes, all right, baby? Go get your sides and I'm gonna get you your plate done. You ready?
I love when you cook, Auntie.
Ooh. It can go for a little bit longer. Ow!
Dang,
Ow!
that looks really good. You got a basket of fries.
Oh yeah, we're good.
That's all it takes to make good fries, Gabe.
Salt, dude. Deep fryer? Yeah, throw some salt on there. Let go! I'm gonna come in there for you.
Grab this one. Dang it.
No, shut up. You bought that from the store.
We literally made these.
No, you did
We
not.
literally just cut these up with a machete.
No, you didn't. Right, look it up. What are you doing?
Next call.
Yo, these are low-key fire.
Babe, you had to get the eggs everywhere.
Someone overflowed them a little bit.
Hey, sir, he set a timer for 12 minutes.
We're gonna do this very, very slow.
Yeah, that smells good.
Boom!
Got him.
We literally just whipped this up in like 1 second.
I know, I'm shocked.
They said it's good here.
Whoa!
We cooking up some delicious.
What do you think, Kylie?
I'm excited.
You ready? Yeah. There are 2 in there?
Yeah, we're hungry.
That does not look right.
That looks perfect.
Oh
It
man.
actually does look really good.
It looks so good. Yeah, that looks so good.
I don't know, it's hard to tell. I don't know, Ricky.
Oh yeah, maybe that one. But see, look how it's dense here. I actually cannot believe how hard we're killing it. Give us a wing. Oh, it looks perfect, dude. Dude, it's so good. It's so good, huh? It's amazing. Yeah! Let's see.
Dude, better than
Popeyes.
KFC.
What's the best one?
Gabe,
Popeyes?
Gabe, hey, open that restaurant. Open that restaurant.
Yeah!
Oh, dude.
Can everyone come try my chicken?
Yeah.
How you gonna forget this? You know we got this in the cut. You know, look, if you eat chicken like me or Nigel, you gotta have the crystal.
Gotta have the
Got to.
That's the hat of Christmas.
Yeah!
Ah!
It's hot. Look at that, dude. That's some chicken.
Woo!
Dude, I can't believe we achieved this. This is unbelievable.
Decadence.
We're killing it.
Break with munchies.
Oh!
Hey, from 1 to 10.
That's some
Break
finger
that
licking
off.
good chicken right there, boy.
I'm gonna have to take this from you.
No, Nigel, no!
All right, so we done applied the hot sauce to said wing here. So once you apply the said hot sauce on the said wing, you take the wing and you just you pull it in the gullet, like in the gullet. Just ready? Just
Oh!
Gabe, you don't have a smaller knife, do you?
No.
I'm gonna give you my honest opinion right here. All right, so you got this dark chicken over here, right? That's the one that you hit the most right here. I don't know what you threw on the outside. The outside was right. The light one, this guy, I'm gonna pick you every day. Every day, I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna be like, give me that one. Give me that one. If you open a restaurant, I'm gonna go 4,000 miles just to eat that.
All right, what are we doing, Gabe? All eggs?
Yeah. No, it doesn't matter. Now we can kind of just go full ham.
This is the most important part, Glasser.
But you're not gonna take a bite and hit a bit of shell when it's
yes,
a skateboard.
you will.
They might.
We're gonna take a bite. I got a whole thing of mayonnaise in there. I'm dipping it in and we're rubbing it
switch.
all over that beautiful beard.
I've always wanted to do this. Glad I'm wearing gloves. Oh God, it just got me in the eyeball. Am I gonna die?
Yes.
All right, where's the board?
All right, I guess we got to take it.
The wheels is gonna melt in a heartbeat.
Oh, gross! No, no more.
Okay, no more. That's so nasty.
It's gonna look so good.
Oh, the wheels are gonna melt, dude. That is nasty.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Yeah, there you go. Delicious and nutritious.
I'm glad we ate first.
Yep.
Yeah.
Get that
But
mayonnaise
see,
out
look,
here.
you know, you gotta show them that this is real. This is real chicken, real potatoes. We had a nice lunch. Now it's gonna be a real deep fried board.
We literally had a full-blown Braille company barbecue. Wow, look at that. That is nasty. Yeah, make sure you get those wheels because they're gonna definitely melt. That's what you do? You put the powder on?
Yeah.
It's not gonna get like the chicken.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is. This is good. Just pat it on nice. All right, just dump it on there.
Oh, look at that. That is nasty.
Oh!
Yeah, watch that lens, dude.
Good, we just gotta send it.
Deep fried skateboard, take one.
When your parents want you to go to cooking school, but skate is life.
Here we go!
Oh yeah, you're golden. Yeah, you're golden, get it.
Be careful when the truck is in, because you know what's gonna happen. Maybe get some goggles.
No, what's gonna happen? Why am I so close to this? Nasty. All right, let's see what happens with the wheel.
I reckon you can set it, like that.
Set it and forget it. 12 minutes later, you got yourself a fried chicken skateboard. Yee-hoo!
He threw an egg at my head.
Yeah, what do you think this is? You're looking so fine.
With Aaron in the background.
What? Vegetable tempura? No way, no it won't. Look at that. What the heck? This is my favorite dish.
Aaron, this is the best idea we've ever had. My favorite video that we filmed in the last 4 years.
I'm so glad this is my idea.
Shout out, Rick!
Shout out, Big Rick.
I'm so glad this is my idea. I can't believe I came up with this.
Let's go.
Told you it was gonna happen. See, and I consulted my expert. He told us what to do. Boom, we out here making meals, making dreams come true.
So would you say that this is Meals on Wheels?
Oh! That joke was fried, just stop.
Got him. I feel like I'm gonna drop this camera any second into that vat. I mean, when we do Floor of Lava, we should have this as the floor. Can you imagine? Well, there goes Mowgli. Call the ambulance. Okay, that worked way better than I thought. Braille wheels, let's go. They're indestructible. That's the only problem is the grip tape is getting a little bubbly.
Hey, here we go.
That's what a fried skateboard looks like?
Yeah.
I knew burn you would burn, but this
Whoa!
I didn't know that part.
I never thought I'd say this in my life.
Is this not history?
There's a lot of restaurants around here that need some help coming up, you know? Starting with the deep fried skateboard.
Oh, yes. I think we're good.
Want it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
No, not off the ground, off the
It is savage. He just straight up trickled it onto the floor, picked it up and ate it. Do not.
Oh! Oh, what? No way!
Yeah!
I'm slipping!
Oh, you did that.
Oh, got it.
Oh! Hey! I got the crystal on my sweat.
My camera ain't never hit film.
I wasn't
I
ready
never
enough.
hit record.
I wasn't ready.
Oh, man. I never tried it. It never happened. Oh, no.
I gotta get it.
Oh, I got the shinner.
Oh,
ew. You see that?
yeah. It do be smelling nice,
It do be
though.
smelling.
Like a fried piece of skateboard.
Ooh, you almost got bodied right there. Wait, look at the edges.
So edgy.
So something with the bushings, they're different. I feel like I'm on a boat trying to skate.
Oh, the trucks are coming off. Look.
Dude, the board is
Oh, the board is definitely hot still.
Oh my god.
Based on my hypothesis.
Oh.
You see this? It lost all its concave. Look at that.
100%. It's like
It's been through a lot worse than this.
Hey, don't get battered up.
good one right here for the sauce.
Breaded.
Breaded. He said breaded.
Out of all the places to fall, right in all of the mess.
Smell like chicken.
Braille wheels do melt under any kind of pressure. You could go 1,000 miles an hour down a hill, power slide, boom, nothing. Oh. My friend Uzi can do anything.
Crusty by nature, if you know.
Oh yeah, this is fine. What are you guys talking about? Saying you couldn't tray flip this? Somebody come get her, we chicken batter skateboard. Actually, that was sick.
Wow.
Oh!
Dang it!
Sun's gonna stink up the backpack a bit.
Oh my god! Bring the mayonnaise out here.